Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Oh, hey, what's going on? Jamie, right?
Matt, so you're making a lot of money online and stuff?
We're making these affiliate commissions, right? No matter where I'm at in the world, I just post these little ads and I check my account hours later and they just start racking up the commissions. It's insane.
Everyone wants to know how they can make money online. Well, we've got one of the best affiliate marketers here. He's stopped by my home in New York City, and we're going to be talking a little bit about how to make money.
Hey guys, how you doing? Name is Matthew. Welcome to the video. But check this out, This is insane. Here's a screenshot of one of my Clickbank accounts where we're making almost $1,000 every single day. $1,000 a day. Every single day.
This is your actual Clickbank account?
Yeah.
2000. Yeah, this is current. This is July.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
So last week you did $8,000?
Yeah. All from just posting these little free ads all online. I think he likes it.
And that is an affiliate account.
Yeah.
What the hell, Matt? Last month, $58,000.
Yeah.
1,000 sales as an affiliate.
Yeah.
So what is the secret behind this affiliate revenue you got going on, man?
Okay, I'll tell you how I'm doing this, but first, look, before I reveal how I'm doing this to you guys and to Jamie, I need you to put away all distractions. Put the cell phone away, close the Facebook tab, close all your other open tabs. Look, this is not posting ads on Facebook, this is not doing SEO, this is not blogging, this is not anything you've ever seen before. This is a brand new, revolutionary method that we're going to reveal right now, so pay very close attention so you don't miss out on exactly how it works.
Is this coming from your YouTube account or what?
No. So we have this system where we log into an account, we post these free ads online. And every time we want more money, we just log in and we post another ad, right? So sometimes the ad might bomb, it might not do as well because you posted it in a weird place. When that happens, you just log back in and post another ad, and then your commissions go up.
This is just... I don't understand how you're doing that as an affiliate. I got to do coaching, I got to do events, I got to speak on stage in other countries. I see your stuff on YouTube. You're just traveling the world all the time, right?
This was what's crazy with this last month that you just saw the screenshot in July is I did that completely while I was traveling Europe. I just turned 30, so I wanted to go through and have like an epic adventure through Europe, and I wanted to like test myself and see if I could make, you know, the same amount of money while I'm traveling the whole time. And lo and behold, I just copied the system that I have in place. I work maybe an hour or two per day. I post these ads in the morning, I come back, I check in the evening, and I post some more ads before I go to sleep. And then, you know, we're doing about $1,000 per day on average, depending. It goes up and down every day.
Well, it looked like you did $2,000 a day last month. I see on social media that you kind of live that type of lifestyle where you travel and everything like that. You have to be doing that on autopilot.
So many flights, it gets pretty excessive, and you know, they get delayed and whatnot sometimes, and it's nuts. But at the end of the day, there's not much work to do once you set the system up. You just turn it on and let it roll for you. Like I said, you just got to log in, you got to post the ads, and if you do it right, the commissions will roll in. It's simple. I used to be broke, I used to not have any money, and I built this up from the ground, you know? Started from zero, and now we're making thousands of dollars every single day posting ads online. It's absolutely amazing.
Here's the thing, man, with you young guys, all right? I've been in the game a long time, and a lot of the time the things that you do, they're very, very clever and they're very, very sophisticated. And, you know, I'm sure there's a lot of people in the world as well not gonna be able to kind of wrap their head around it in terms of it being so sophisticated.
Right, I know what you're saying. Like when I first got started in this industry, I was trying to master the Google and figure out all this complex SEO strategies, and really I wasted so much time and it didn't even work. With what I'm doing now, all you need is to be able to copy and paste. If you can copy and paste and send some emails, you have what it takes to execute this method the same way that I'm doing it. It's really nothing complicated. I've seen a lot of complicated methods and a lot of simple ones, and I've tried to refine this down to as simple as it can be, the few amount of steps possible, like fail-proof, right? You just follow the couple of steps, you execute it, you put it into action, and you just post these tiny little ads all over the internet. And look, when you think about it, there's millions and millions of people checking the web every single day. All you have to do is get your ad in front of a tiny little fraction of those people. They click on it and you make commissions. It's that simple. It's easy. And really, the income struts you just saw earlier, that's only like maybe 10, 20 sales a day to make $1,000, $2,000 a day. Think about that. It's not that hard, and that's life-changing money.
Right, so I mean, does it cost money to post these ads?
Once you get the ads up, they're totally free. You can post them over and over and over again, as long as you want, as many times as you want. There's no limit to how many ads you can post.
Is there any analytical skills that you need, like, you know, oh, well, if it's lower than 7 cents, you do this ad? Myself, you know, I just don't have time to that, like to think, you know, I don't want to have to think.
Look, this is not pay-per-click marketing at all. These ads are free. Once you find the ad source, you can just post to the ads all over the web as much as you want. There's no pay-per-click, there's no meticulous math involved in this. It's really cut and dry. You post ads, you make money.
It can happen fast for you too. Look at this first day, $214, then $636, then $240, then $280, then $341, then $725, then $1,497, then $2,495, and then $3,069.
What if there's too much saturation or there's not enough people in the world?
That's a great question, and really think about the millions of people that check the web every single day. It's just not possible for it to get saturated. There's an unlimited amount of people, and there's millions of new people coming online every single month that have never had the internet before, and they're looking for ways to make money. And if you put your ad in front of them and they click on it, you can make that commission. It's literally that simple. Like the income screenshot that I showed you earlier, where we're making the, you know, we're doing, what is it, the $1,000, $2,000 a day, like you see right here. Like that's only about 10 to 20 sales a day. So think about it. There's millions of people coming online to check the internet. They're searching for ways to make money. And if your ad pops up in front of them, they click on it, you can make that commission. It sounds like it's a crazy thing until you start doing it. And then you realize how easy it is to make all this money. And you'll be wondering, where the hell was all this money when I was struggling all these years?
Yeah, so it doesn't cost money. You don't need to get in touch with anyone and try to recruit anyone or anything like that.
Right, yeah, there's no recruiting.
There's no emailing anyone. There's no calling anyone. There's there's no analytical work.
People click on them and they buy things, and you make money as a result of that. It's the craziest thing in the world, and I can't even believe that it's real, but it is real. I've been doing it for years now, and just trying to show some more people a better way.
I do have a subscriber base of people who might really want to learn how to do this. It's all legit. So you have people who've tried this before?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, we've had dozens of students come through our system and make money. And actually, we had one of our students purchase a brand new Lincoln Navigator. Let's cut to the clip right now.
Hunter here, coming to you from North Ogden, Utah on this nice winter day. So look, I want to make this video real quick for my buddy Matthew Neer as a testimonial to show you what's been possible for me and my family in the last 30 days. As you can see behind me is this Lincoln Navigator. Turn around behind me is this Dodge Caravan. That is what my family's been mobbing in up until yesterday, where we went and picked up this fully loaded Lincoln Navigator. It's got the big V8 motor in it, fully loaded leather interior with the upgraded sound system, the DVD system. Right there's my paperwork. That's mine. I paid for it because of the money I was able to make with Matthew's awesome system.
And look, don't take my word for it. Don't take Jamie's word for it. Look at what our students say.
Matthew Neer offers incredible value. And the secret you need to know, that when I had coaching with Matthew, he delivered at least 10 times the value.
He gave me one tip. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what it is, but he said, you need to do this. If you just did this, it would revolutionize your business. So I went home, I'm out of action, went out there and implemented just that one little tip he gave me. And I instantly saw results. Literally within about 3 weeks of implementing that tip, I was able to take my first listing that was generated from an internet lead. And it literally didn't cost me anything.
Now I've been working online for about 3 years now, and I make a full-time income, and I'm only working part-time.
That's the real deal right there. These people are just average people who have made a ton of money posting little tiny ads online.
Sometimes, you know, there is a big difference between like a really awesome system, program that really works for people, and then a get-rich-quick scheme that's like just a never-ending money pit for consumerism, people are spending a lot of money on nothing and then end up, you know, I mean, my first experiences were terrible. What were yours? Like,
yeah, this isn't like anything like that. I mean, I know what you're talking about. I've bought probably hundreds of products at this point, and you know, some of them you're so excited when you buy it, and then you get inside in the members area and you find out you got to do all this crazy amount of work, and you end up like working for free for some other guy. And you know, I would buy these products and then I'd be so excited to get inside in the members area, and I get there and I figure out you got to do all this complicated, crazy amount of work, and then I was really excited to make the money, so I did the work, and then I found out all the work really just benefited someone else and not me. And then I was really pissed off, and then I couldn't even get a refund, you know? So yeah, I've been through hell and back. We actually have a legitimate method on the inside that teaches people, you know, how to post these ads online and make actual money with it. And the work that you do is going to benefit you.
What do you get as a member of Income League?
Great question. So as soon as you sign up, you're going to be guided into the members area with extremely detailed video tutorials that show you step by step how to first of all set up the system, which only takes an afternoon's time, and you're gonna be done just like that. And then once you turn it on, the ads are automated, right? And anytime you want to get more traffic or make more money, you just post a new ad and you'll see your traffic spike and your commissions go up.
One of the things that my subscribers are always concerned about is, if it works, why is there a cost? Why is there an initial cost to obtain the program?
Right, okay, so look, it's this simple, guys, is we can't give everyone access for free. If we did that, it wouldn't be fair to the people who already paid. So there is a small one-time entry fee, but it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you have 2 full months to try it out, implement the method, test it out for yourself, and see if it works. And if you don't like it for any reason whatsoever, you don't like the sound of my voice, then you can get a refund, no questions asked, and we're part as friends. And I'll still have a beer with you later at the bar, no problem, all right? So take action right now and decide to pick up a copy of Income League today. Right below this video, there'll be a button. Enter your email address, click the button, pay the fee, and get inside in the members area right now. I want you to get inside of the members area of Income League right now because, look, we're doing this for you. We don't need the money. And if you look at our student testimonials, the proof is in the pudding. Like, these people that have come through our system and implemented it have had success. They've created results from nothing. Everyone starts at zero. I started at zero one time. Jamie started at zero. And you have to start there too. I don't know where you're at in your life right now, but if you decide to take action with this, you can make something happen for yourself in a really big way. The method I'm teaching inside the members area is the exact same method I used to have my first $10,000 month online way back in the day, and now I've been using that same exact method over and over again. I've perfected it, I've tweaked it, I've refined it, and now it's just a well-oiled machine that if you just apply a little bit of action can create massive results for you. It's insane. So guys, again, look, there's a 60-day money back guarantee. There's really no risk here for you at all. I want you to come inside the members area now, pay the small one-time entry fee. And look, it would be free, but look, we got to pay our hosting bill, we got to pay our programmers, our developers, our customer support team. That costs us thousands of dollars. So just pay a little bit of a fair share to help us out so we can help you, and we're all going to have success together. And I can't wait to see you inside the members area. It's going to be awesome, and looking forward to seeing you make your first commission, or if you already made your first sale, helping you make many, many more, helping you crack your first $10,000 a month and way beyond that. So let's do it. Welcome to Income League, and I'm excited to have you.
Get into Income League right now while it's still available. Jump in and see how easy this system really is to implement.
Join now. Click the button below, get instant access, put your email address inside the button below right now, click it, pay the small fee, and get in. We'll see you there.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.